the Mesa Trade on the Forex tester. Yes, 144 200 million. I haven't seen the Phoenix phase for Mesa Trade, so we're just gonna continue on with the Forex tester, pressing backspace, space bar until we see a valid Phoenix phase. Currently the price is ranging. I'm just gonna continue on, see what happens. Okay, as you can see that the 62 is below the 200 moving average, simple moving average. 60 EM is below the 200, 200 is below the 800, means it's a Phoenix phase for downtrend. Now for a Mesa line is actually a support line or a resistance line. So currently that is the Mesa line. Mesa Trade trades the breakout and take 50 pips with stop loss just above the 62 or below the 62 EMA. In this case, that is the Mesa line, and I'm gonna prepare for a sell trade if it breaks that line. Go for each candle. There you go. That's the breakout below the Mesa line. Our entry is to sell, and stop loss is just above the 62 EMA there. 62 EMA is the red line, late red moving average. In this case, it will be 80 pips. We want a 50 pips profit target. The sell, and there you go. The trade close for healthy 50 pip profit. That's the Mesa Trade Phoenix phase for the downtrend. And for the uptrend, which is buy, I'm just going to show you after this. Okay, now with the Phoenix phase for the uptrend, as you can see that barely see that the 62 EMA is just above the 200 moving average. I'm just going to zoom in. 62 EMA above 200 SMA, and that's the 800 SMA. So we are in uptrend. For the Mesa line, we're gonna use that as the Mesa line. And remember, this is a 1 hour time frame. You could just test this on any time frame, as the Arizona rules uses any time frame on any chart or any pair. But if you want to backtest, try to backtest with one pair first. Each time, one pair only. Concentrate on one trading system. So we're just going to continue now. Oh, looks like it went down. And as you can see here, it's now changing. So it's not an uptrend anymore. Now it's ranging at 800. Now it's forming a downtrend. So just will continue on, and hopefully there's an uptrend example here. And changing trend, there it is, an uptrend. Use this Mesa line here as the entry point. Rules still the same. 50 profit target, stop loss below or above the 62 EMA. Again, it ranges. Really not a good example right now. Now it's showing us a downtrend. That's a downtrend now, meaning the Phoenix Mesa line. It's there, there. It's just anywhere. But we start off with this the moment it is below the 800. That's Mesa line. So we're just gonna continue this with 1,000 trades, folks. I don't want to receive any of you doing 100 trades and then saying, oh, you know this, you know that. I want 1,000 trades, confirm the data that you know when to enter, when to exit, when to put a stop loss. Oops. Okay, there you go. And a good example of another messy line. And right below that messy line is a good entry for us here. Again, short above the 62 EMA. You just add that another 50 pips, or just as long as it's just above 62 is no problem. So in this case, I'll just use 70 pips. 50 pip profit target, sell it, and almost exited. Looks like it's trying to break the 62 there. In this case, we are expecting for no loss here. There you go, that's a loss. So I'm just going to continue on till we could find the uptrend example, Phoenix face for the uptrend. Zoom that out, see the whole picture. We want to ask what line is this? These are pivots. Yeah, I just like doing pivots with it. Okay, it's forming an uptrend now. As the 62 just above 800, so just waiting for that to form an uptrend. The moment that 200 enters above that 800, then it's an uptrend. We can use that as the messy line. No harm. Ooh, making a wind slopes right now. This is a good example for a downtrend Phoenix face. You can see there the moment it crosses that marks a downtrend with a bearish candle goodbye, with the Mesa line broken. That's a good entry there. Let's short that one. Profit, stop loss. This is catastrophic stop loss here. That's about 100 pips again. Money management depends on what size you're using. If you think that 100 pip is the maximum, means that the risk to reward ratio is pretty large, don't take the trade. Just leave it and walk away. No, just continue the same thing with the uptrend. So I'm not just gonna wait for it. I'm just gonna do what I could see right now. Not really a good example on the pound dollar right now. It's a bit crap. And it's giving us a lot of a ranging. Again, just continue on until you have about 1,000 trade. So let's just make that the Mesa line. Oops. That's the entry there. That's okay. 70 pip stop loss and 50 pip. And looks like it's taking us out for profit. So just continue that and extract the data file and send me an email. Or better, put on turbo tester. Send me that turbo tester to my email. That's for Mesa Trade example for the pound dollar. I hope you can do it and try to find out, observe what you can see along those trades. That's all. And I'm signing out.